A paperclip is randomly selected from the container 3 times and is replaced each time. Ugh. What is the approximate probability of first selecting a blue paperclip and then 2 green paperclips? All right, probability in general is the amount of objects we want over the total amount. Now, in this case, what we're doing is we're picking a paperclip, we're putting it back. So that makes the total not change, but we're doing it 3 times. So according to what's called the fundamental counting principle, whenever you do probability events more than once, you multiply every time. So we're going to do something out of the total times something out of the total times something out of the total. What we want is we want blue, right? Blue first, and then green, and then green. So we want blue, and then green, and then green. Now we need to find the total. And the way we find the total is we add up all of these. So 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 8 is 25. And 25 plus 10 is 35. So my total amount is going to be 35. That's my total. All right, so whatever out of 35 times whatever out of 35 times whatever out of 35. And again, the reason why I'm doing 35 each time is because it says you replace it every time. You put it back. If we didn't put it back, then it would be 35, 34, 33. But that doesn't happen here. Now, how many blues do I have? Blues is 13. So I'm going to do 13 out of 35 times how many greens do I have? 4. So 4 out of 35, and then we put each paperclip back and get 4 out of 35 again. Now, obviously, this is a calculator problem. You're going to multiply this in your calculator, and the decimal that's going to pop up is going to be 0.00485, which lines up with B.